Hi, welcome to Trashbash Creations. Before I start, I'd like to give a shout out to John and Kerry from my local JCar electronics store. They are always happy to help with any questions I have, and they give great customer service. So thanks, guys. Today I'm going to take this hose joiner and some switches and LED lights and make a sci-fi grenade prop. After separating the pieces, I take what will be the top of the grenade, and off camera I cut a rectangle out where I will be placing the side switch. I also drill a couple of holes where I will be placing some lights. Here I am just making sure that the switch for the top of the grenade fits correctly. To be able to fit all the switches and wiring inside, I have to remove this inner piece, which I do off camera. Now I am taking the ring end off a cheap compass and part of a spring from a peg to make the pull pin. I take some red and black electrical wire and solder the side switch, and I do the same to the top switch. Now I'm just checking that I have wired everything correctly. I'm using a 3-volt coin battery and coin battery holder. I paint the top with Tamiya TS28 olive drab before gluing the LED lights in. I wired and soldered the lights off camera. I use some 5-minute epoxy to glue both the side switch and the LEDs in place. I also glue these around the LEDs. Leave a comment below if you know what they are. Now I'm gluing the top switch in place with some more 5-minute epoxy. Here I am checking that everything is still working. Now I take a standard circular magnet and a smaller neodymium magnet and glue them together. Then I glue them on the side of the prop. I take a cap from a used asthma inhaler and off camera I paint it black, then I glue it to the bottom part of the prop to fill the hole. I am using a very small amount of silver rub and buff to do a very light weathering. I found this old decal set lying around, so I cut out one piece and I placed it here above the pin and switch. Then off camera, I sprayed it with some clear coat, and that's the build completed.
Quantec P4 Thermofrag Grenade, manufactured by Quantum Technologies for the TriStar Military Alliance. The Quantec P4 Thermofrag Grenade is a compact and highly effective explosive device, standard issue for all combat deployed troops of the TSMA, with each soldier typically carrying 4 units. Technical specifications: composition, outer shell, polycarbonate steel. Explosive, nitrothermite. Shrapnel, durasteel fragments. Height 11 centimeters. Width 5 centimeters. Weight 650 grams. Operation. Activation. Press the red charge button on top to prime the grenade. Detonation. Immediate detonation. Remove the side pin for a 4-second countdown. Delayed detonation. Engage the side switch for a 30-second delay before removing the side pin. Indicator lights. Red and blue sequence. Flashes upon pressing the red charge button. White light. Activates along with the red and blue sequence when the 30-second delay is engaged. Blast radius. Kill radius, 10 meters. Serious injury, 20 meters. Important. The device will only detonate if the red charge button is engaged and the side pin is removed. For a 30-second delay, both the red charge button and the side switch must be engaged before removing the side pin.
If you enjoyed this content, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.